Hello, I'm Lauren, a chef manager with Cranston Public Schools in Cranston, Rhode Island. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy grab-and-go meal for your school cafeteria, smoothies. When smoothies are made in-house, you can count the milk, the yogurt, and fruit and vegetable components towards the school meal pattern. Today, I'm going to make a razzle-dazzle smoothie, appropriate for an elementary school portion. Since the smoothies need to be reimbursable, you must be careful with the quantities. For this smoothie, each serving needs to have 2 ounces of milk, 4 ounces of yogurt, and half a cup pureed fruit. It's important to note that fruit is credited based on the volume after it's pureed. Put in the fruit first. Today, we're going to be using 2.5 cups of frozen berries, 2.5 cups of bananas, and this will provide a half a cup of fruit serving for each smoothie. Liquid ingredients will be next. Be sure to use the milk that is allowed in the school meal programs. To make 10 smoothies, we'll need to add 20 ounces of milk. And then the yogurt will go in last. For 10 smoothies, we'll add 40 ounces of yogurt. And the yogurt counts towards the meat alternative component. No need to add any ice or water, it just dilutes the nutrition and increases the volume of the portion. So we're going to go ahead and blend it up. When it's blended to your desired thickness, which I think we're at, we're going to pour into the serving cups, dividing evenly to create the number of servings your recipe yields. In this case, it'll be 10 smoothies. If smoothies aren't served right away, refrigerate at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Smoothies taste best cold, and students love smoothies. Add them to your menu and see your participation move up. Thanks for watching.